Hello. Today we are going to learn how to use the planer. The planer is also known as a surfacer or thickness planer, and what the machine will do is it will take our material from this thick and then take it down to a desired thickness. A few things that you need to know about the planer before we get started is we have off, on. You don't need to worry about the rate of speed. And then the other is the handle that you will turn counterclockwise to lower the table to set up your machine, and then after each pass you will be moving and turning the machine's wheel a half a turn clockwise. A few other things to remember is with the machine, the distance between the in-feed roll and the out-feed roll is 18 inches. So the minimum length to your material will need to be 18 inches. To get ready and set up the machine, you need to know what the thickness of your material is. Once you know that, then you can set up the measurement gauge to your desired thickness, which is the thickness of this board. So if this is 3/4 of an inch, I will set this up at 3/4 of an inch, and then after I do that, I will lock this small knob. Always make sure that your lumber is free of any loose knots, cracks, paint, screws, staples, anything like that. You only want to run clean lumber. Now that your machine is all set up, you can come back over and you will release the stop button, and then you can turn the machine on. And when you set the material in, never allow a hand to go underneath. Only allow your hands to be on top, because when the machine grabs it, it will set it on the table and it will crush your fingers if you have it down below. So go ahead and let it get started. Let go and allow the machine to pull the material through. After each pass, loosen the knob, turn the handle clockwise a half a turn, snug the knob back up, and use a different part of the table so that we will use all of the knives to cut the wood. After our one side is clean or flat because we have a glue up, turn your wood over to work on the other side and continue with the handle, turning it a half a turn clockwise, which is roughly 1/8 of an inch. Lock your knob and use a new part of the table. One other thing to always remember whenever using the planer is never stand directly behind it like I have showed you as I have put the material in. Make sure that you turn the wheel, lock the knob, and when you do it, stand to the side. The machine can kick back, and if you were standing behind it, you could be injured. Once you have reached your desired thickness of your material, you are all done, and you can simply just turn the machine off, let it come to a complete dead stop, and then continue to work on your project. And that is a wrap.